Sony pulled off Concord game right 2 weeks after its launch. A multiplayer online shooter, Concord game was launched on August 23rd, developed by Firewalk Studios for PlayStation 5 and PC, which allegedly struggled to captivate all gaming enthusiasts, which compelled Sony to pull off the game only 2 weeks after its launch. Firewalk Studios game director Ryan Ellis recently announced that the game would be pulled off from Sony offline from September 6th in a blog post on Sony's website. Moreover, if anyone's already bought this game, then a full refund will be provided. Concord game has been dubbed a hero shooter game with a reminiscence of the most famous games, including Overwatch, Valorant, and more. It possesses various characters with distinctive abilities and offers several innovative game modes surrounding the manipulation of different sections in the arena. Right after its launch, it got lukewarm reviews from players. Few players found it intriguing, while some criticized its failure. As mentioned earlier, it failed to capture the attention, and according to SteamDB, the highest number of all the players was only 660, whereas in contrast to a highly popular game, Counter-Strike 2, which managed to record more than 1 million players since August 2022. Ellis said, "While many qualities of the experience resonated with players, we also recognize that other aspects of the game and our initial launch didn't land the way we'd intended." He also expressed gratitude for the players who at least tried playing the game and said that the passionate community that's grown around the game has meant the world to us. Pulling off the Concord game from Sony would let Firewalk Studios explore more options, including those that will better reach our players, according to Ellis.